Today, we are solving WASSCE November 2018 question 3. This is an angle of elevation problem involving two observation points on the same side of tower. The question says that 2 points, P and Q, are 15 meters apart. They're also on the same horizontal line as the foot of a tower. The angles of elevation of the top of the tower from P and Q are 35 degrees and 45 degrees, respectively. The word respectively means the angle from P is 35 degrees and the angle from Q is 45 degrees. We are told that P and Q are on the same side of the tower. We must first represent the information in a diagram, and then find the height of the tower correct to the nearest meter. Part A. Test your ability to read and draw. The diagram controls the solution. R equals foot of the tower. Follow the calculation line by line. Length of RS equals H. RS is perpendicular to horizontal ground. P, Q lie on the same horizontal line. Q is closer because 45 degrees greater than 35 degrees. The question says P and Q are 15 meters apart. So we label length of PQ equals 15 meters. Length of QR equals X. Length of PR equals length of PQ plus length of QR. We do not know the distance from Q to the foot of the tower, R. So we call this distance X. Since P, Q, and R lie on the same straight line, the distance from P to R is 15 plus X. 35 degrees. $45 degrees. P, Q are on the same horizontal line. Length of RS equals H. Length of PQ equals 15 meter-centimeters. Length of QR equals X. Length of PR equals 15 plus X. Angle RPS equals 35 degrees. Now, let us check the diagram. P, Q, and R are on the same horizontal line. Length of RS is the height of the tower, so length of RS equals H. The distance between P and Q is 15 meters. The distance from Q to the foot of the tower is X. The distance from P to the foot of the tower is 15 plus X. The angle of elevation from P is 35 degrees. The angle of elevation from Q is 45 degrees. This is the completed diagram. Now that the diagram is clear, we can solve for the height of the tower. Length of RS equals H. Length of QR equals X. Let length of RS equals H be the height of the tower, and let length of QR equals X. Since length of PQ equals 15 meters, it follows that length of PR equals 15 plus X. First, use triangle QSR. In this triangle, the angle at Q is 45 degrees. With respect to this angle, the opposite side is the tower height, H, and the adjacent side is X. So we use tangent because tangent is opposite over adjacent. Now write the equation from triangle QSR. Since tan of 45 degrees equals 1, we get H equals X. This will be our first equation. Now use the larger triangle, PSR. In this triangle, the angle at P is 35 degrees. With respect to this angle, the opposite side is the same tower height, H, and the adjacent side is length of PR equals 15 plus X. So again, we use tangent. Now write the equation from triangle PSR. This gives our second equation. H equals X. H equals 15 plus X, tan of 35 degrees. X equals 15 plus X, tan of 35 degrees. X equals 15 plus X, 0.7002. X equals 10.503 plus 0.7002x. X minus 0.7002x equals 10.503. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. From the first equation, H equals X. Therefore, the height of the tower is approximately 35 meters, correct to the nearest meter. H equals X. H equals 35.03 meter cedars. H approximately equals 35 meter cedars. The height of the tower is 35 meters, correct to the nearest meter. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. To summarize, we let the distance from Q to the tower be X. The distance from P to the tower becomes 15 plus X, and the height of the tower is H. From triangle QSR, we found that H equals X. From triangle PSR, we wrote H equals 15 plus X, tan of 35 degrees. Solving gives X 35.03 meters, and because H equals X, the height is also about 35.03 meters. This is the final answer to the nearest meter. Exam tip. The larger angle comes from the closer point. (45 degrees greater than 35 degrees). Therefore, Q is closer to the tower than P. Read carefully, draw carefully, solve confidently. Don Prime T, forget to like and subscribe for more.